In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google map to a page in Odoo. To begin, open the website app inside Odoo. Once you're in, navigate to the specific website page where you want the map to appear. This is important because you'll be editing the live layout of that page, so make sure you're on the correct one before making any changes. When you're ready, click Edit to open the website editor. This will let you customize the page visually, without needing to write any code. After the editor opens, look to the right side of the screen and open the Blocks tab. This is where Odoo keeps the content sections you can drag and drop onto your page. In the Blocks panel, find the Map block. Once you see it, drag it onto your page and place it in the area where you want the map to appear. Take a moment here to position it carefully so it fits naturally with the rest of your content. A well-placed map can make the page look more polished and also help visitors quickly find the information they need. Next, click directly on the map block you just added. Then, on the right side, open the Style tab. In the Map Settings area, locate the address field and enter the location you want the map to display. Be as accurate as possible, so the map points to the correct place. After that, choose how you want the map to look using the Type drop-down. For example, you can select a road-style view, if that works best for your page. Then, adjust the zoom setting to control the visible distance around the location. A setting such as 2 kilometers can be useful if you want to show nearby streets and surrounding context. If needed, you can further customize the appearance using color filter and roundness. These options are helpful if you want the map to better match your website's design or create a softer visual style. You can also turn description on if you want to display extra location information along with the map. Once everything is set, review the map carefully on the page. Make sure it appears in the right position, matches the style you want, and most importantly, shows the correct location. It's always a good idea to do this final check before saving. When you're satisfied with the result, click Save in the upper right corner to keep your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a Google map on your Odoo website page.